Beneath the crystal-clear waters surrounding the enchanting island of Guam lies a treasure trove of vibrant colors, intricate ecosystems, and awe-inspiring beauty, its coral reefs. These underwater wonders not only provide sanctuary to a myriad of marine species but also serve as a vital source of livelihood and a natural defense against coastal erosion. Guam's coral reefs, like delicate living tapestries, have faced a multitude of threats that put their very existence in jeopardy. Rising ocean temperatures, driven by climate change, have caused destructive coral bleaching events, leaving once vibrant reefs pale and lifeless. The increased frequency of extreme weather events has brought destructive storm surges, further damaging these fragile ecosystems. Overfishing, pollution, and sedimentation have also taken their toll, disrupting the delicate balance and hindering the reef's ability to recover. Coral reefs are not merely breathtaking natural wonders, they are essential for the health of our oceans and the well-being of countless species, including humans. Sadly, Guam's coral reefs are under immense pressure due to a combination of factors, both natural and human-induced. One of the primary threats faced by Guam's coral reefs is climate change. Rising sea temperatures disrupt the delicate balance between the corals and the algae living within them, leading to a phenomenon known as coral bleaching. As the corals expel the algae, their primary source of nutrition, they become vulnerable to disease and starvation, ultimately resulting in their death. The frequency and severity of coral bleaching events have increased dramatically in recent years, leaving vast stretches of once vibrant reef ecosystems barren and lifeless. The impact of human activities on Guam's coral reefs cannot be overlooked either. Pollution from land-based sources, such as agricultural runoff and sewage discharge, introduces excess nutrients into the marine environment. This process, known as eutrophication, fuels the growth of harmful algal blooms that smother and suffocate coral reefs. Additionally, destructive fishing practices, including the use of dynamite and cyanide, indiscriminately destroy corals and devastate entire reef ecosystems. Overfishing further disrupts the delicate balance, causing imbalances in the reef's ecological community. Rapid coastal development and urbanization pose additional threats to Guam's coral reefs. The construction of resorts, hotels, and infrastructure along the coastline often involves dredging and sedimentation, which can bury corals and impede their growth. The clearing of mangrove forests, which act as natural buffers and filter pollutants before they reach the reef, further exacerbates the problem. Without these protective measures, sediment runoff and pollutants directly impact the health of coral reefs. To preserve Guam's coral reefs and ensure their continued existence for future generations, concerted efforts are required on multiple fronts. Education and awareness play a crucial role in fostering a sense of stewardship and promoting responsible practices. Local communities, visitors, and policymakers must understand the delicate nature of coral reefs and the importance of sustainable actions to protect them. Effective marine protected areas are vital in safeguarding Guam's coral reefs. These designated zones provide a sanctuary for marine life, allowing ecosystems to recover and thrive. Strict regulations, enforcement, and monitoring efforts are necessary to prevent destructive activities within MPAs and to maintain a healthy balance between conservation and sustainable use. Furthermore, reducing greenhouse gas emissions and mitigating climate change is paramount. This requires a collective global effort to transition towards cleaner, renewable energy sources and adopt sustainable practices in various sectors. The protection of coral reefs is intricately linked to the larger fight against climate change, and concerted action on multiple levels is essential. Preserving Guam's coral reefs is not an insurmountable task. By fostering a sense of responsibility, implementing effective management strategies, and addressing the root causes of their decline, we can secure a future where these majestic ecosystems continue to thrive. The coral reefs of Guam are not only precious gems of natural beauty but also integral components of our planet's ecological fabric. Let us join hands in their preservation, ensuring that future generations can continue to marvel at the wonders that lie beneath the waves of Guam's enchanting shores. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such info.